Market's about to open, so it's about to go bananas. So I'll just do let me see, make sure I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. All right, pre-market analysis. Okay. Obviously, hold on, let me get rid of this. Okay. Obviously, pre-session, before we hit 9:30, we had these two highs. Price did not create a liquidity sweep before just realistically anywhere. This is not considered as this high getting taken out. This is not considered as a liquidity sweep. This is not considered as a broker structure. This is considered as a liquidity sweep. Basically to the upside. We are in an uptrend. Oh my gosh. Hold on before that analysis. Good grief. We did catch a sweep right here. We just caught a broker structure. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Hold up. Let me not get carried away. Be emotional. Realistically, what I was trying to get at before market just freaking started exploding to the upside. We already have a liquidity sweep in the 1 hour. Now, do we have a 5 minutes? What the freak did I just click on? Oh my god. Um, Hold on, I'm going through a glitch right now in my mind. Okay. Let me just get ready, cause uh, I'm over leveraging right now. But realistically, I do feel like this is somewhat of a solid trade. I do somewhat have a tight stop loss, so we're gonna really see realistically see how this plays out. Got to be down $1,000. Look at that. Off rip. I knew it. Should have waited. All right. That just made me panic. So what we're gonna do, if we get a pushback to the upside, then what it did was I should have extended my stop loss, all because I leveraged more than I wanted to. That's why I kept my stop loss tight. But I was just doing pre-market analysis. If I would have extended my stop loss, we probably could have been in this trade. So I'm gonna wait and see what price shows me. And if we start getting rejection, I'm gonna go back for the same trade. See what happens. Either it's gonna sweep these lows, or it's gonna just basically push back up higher. See. See how this plays out. I'm not in just yet. I want to see either we're gonna break above this and then catch a retest, or we're gonna sweep this low. Either one's gonna have to give, but we most definitely earn a buying signal. But yeah, off rip, I lost $1,100. Hey, that's what I get for having that tight stop loss. Simple mistake. Simple mistake. That's all it is. Pull this comeback. Crazy. I think that's it, you guys. So, more or less, what basically happened right here is since this is consolidation, this is considered as a order block, more or less. So obviously you would have to put it at the low previous to. I cannot explain my words. More emotional driven right now. In an area like this, wherever the sweep was created, you would put your stop loss down here. Take profit up there. But as you can see, I got taken out. Price didn't take out, well, basically this 5 minute low. I'm just trying to explain this while also looking at the market. Let me get rid of this because this is confusing you guys. Basically, this consolidation just got retested on the high end. And I was waiting for a retrace, but we'll see. Which I already kind of feel like the retracement already happened. So do I think we'll get one? Hopefully. I have no clue. See how this plans out. Still didn't get a retest, so on trading view, it looks like we got a retest, but on my end, it doesn't look like it. I'm gonna play this out. This is a late entry. Hopefully this goes through because I'm risking a lot right here. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Way more than I'm comfortable with. Let's do it. I'll explain my emotions behind this whole thing, and I'll also explain the trade that I took the first time and the second trade right currently. I'll explain exactly why my emotions were in play, and I most definitely will talk about this whole entire trade. I literally ran into this last week, and it was choking me up. And I'll promise you guys, just give me 1 second. Let's see how this trade plays out. Even if I catch a loss, I'll still explain it. Couple pips away. Just got it. I got retest on the 1 minute. Ooh, if this comes crashing down, this ain't looking too pretty for me. Let's go ahead and say that straight out the gate. It's gonna be a big loss day for me. but it must definitely be a lesson learned. Yep. Lesson we're gonna have to learn. Should have waited for this low to get swept. Okay, so I'm basically this second trade. I just lost $1,600. Yep. All right, so off rip, I lost $2,600 off the rip. Reason of emotionally trading. You guys saw it from the jump. I was trying to jump in, jump out. We never swept this low. So we did get a session sweep, but we did not get a liquidity sweep, as in, this high, this low getting swept, and then we would have pushed higher. That's exactly why I got cooked the way that I did. So yeah, for the day, 2,800. So almost $3,000 cooked off rip. And it's realistically, I'm not a fan of this consolidating phase crap that we're going through. It's very frustrating. At the end of the day, it is what it is. My buddy just asked me, was I in a sale? Like, what the world? Price is showing nothing but bullish. Why would I be in a sale? But yeah, got cooked. Obviously, emotionally traded. Price opens, we get a big push to the upside. Obviously, I was looking at it like this. We got our sweep previous to market open on the hourly. We got our sweep on the 5 minute to previous to session open. We ended up catching breaker structure for everybody got retest right here previous to 9 o'clock. We also end up breaking structure to the upside, almost taking out all of this liquidity. So I believe that the moment that we got this retest, I should have just kept my, entry right there. Well, as you can see, once again with consolidation, my SL should have been under liquidity. Price is just obviously in a very, very strong consolidating phase, regardless, just because of worldly things we're going through right now. A lot of things were not happening the way it normally is. I'll put it like that. I know it may sound like I'm just talking gibberish, but what I'm explaining to you guys is market's going to move in the direction that the world is going in. If the world's going down, what do you think the market's going to do? It's going to go down. If the world's in chaos, I wouldn't expect market to go with the trend at all. I mean, it's just a lot's going into play. We just called it a 5 minute sweep. Will I take another trade? Honestly, yes, but same leverage, no, because I'm already down 3,000 for the day. Like I can't take another big hit. I'm gonna wait for this low to get swept. Yeah. And what's so funny, you guys, is whenever I'm trying to be like consistent, whenever I'm trying to sit here and be patient, when I'm sitting here trying to, you know, be prepared for the market, it'd be the times that I'm like, okay, everything has been put in consideration, and then market takes me out. Market takes me out. Market takes me out. Am I saying that I know every single thing about the market and I'm not gonna make mistakes? That's just how it is. I'm gonna make mistakes. 100%. At the same time, I look at it like this. Let me brain get into play. Where's it at? It's somewhere here. Right here. We're in uptrend. We got our liquidity sweep, session sweep. We got our 5 minute sweep. 1 minute full strat, valid retest. Time frame, obviously TP would be your hourly high, SL previous low, or February gap or inverse February gap. Now let's go back and look at this. Okay, why is this thing acting like this? Excuse me. We had consolidation take out this low, so realistically, is that a sweep? Yep. So this would be considered as the sweep that I'm looking for. We just got to make sure this trade plays out. Hello? You're what? Say what? Dude, I've gotten cooked already with market open. Why do you enter with market open? Well, because I mean, I'm seeing like my strategy play out, but the thing is, we're stuck in consolidation on New York every single day. Like for the past 2 weeks, we've been in, huh? Yeah, and like obviously, I'm leveraging a lot at the moment, so obviously my account looks really, really bad. This is my last try. Yes. Okay, if the body of this candle that's literally in there right now comes back outside of the zone, I'll enter. But dude, like I've already lost 3K. Yeah, took my account out of profit. Yeah, dude, and that's the part that's messing with me mentally is I am going back and forth. Like I'll be hella positive and then I'll go back to being freaking negative. Yeah, you're right. This candle closes outside, I'm entering. This inverse for Vega. I just entered. Don't you dare tell me that was a fairly true. It's my last try for the day. If not, I'm cooked. I'm gonna believe in my bias, my boy. If this thing cooks me one more time, I promise you. I don't know what to say for today. I have no excuses. Well, it was nice knowing you, Sahil. Brother, I'm about to be down 4K for the day. If this trade don't play out. Wait for me. We gotta get out of this consolidating fast, bro. So crazy. Oh man. Oh yeah. I'm good. I'm about to get taken out. That's 4K on the day, Sahil. Too much. Yeah. I got cooked yesterday too. Like I lost my entire account yesterday and then about to lose it again right now. Yeah, bro. Today's the buy, like for sure. It's just we're stuck in this consolidating phase, and I'm using tight stop losses all because of how much I'm leveraging. So,
That's what kills you is a stop loss.
oh, I know. I'm about to say I'm about to get cooked right now. I already see it. It's either I'm gonna get cooked or I'm gonna have something served at my table. So we gonna see.
I mean, we're all time high.
Mhm. And I understand, bro. Like when it's in the uptrend, just keep playing uptrend. And that's the problem that I'm just like I ain't even worried about. Trying to take sales at this point. But at the same time, bro, when it's stuck in
That's what I
consolidating
was
phase,
saying
bro,
about the sell.
huh?
That's what I was saying about the sell, because, like,
Mm-mm.
all time high, there's no reason to go. Like, you gotta
Mm-mm.
So I was like, that's what I was texting you earlier. I was like, yeah, bro.
Mm-mm. And for a buy, my boy.
I think it's a sell.
I mean, if anything, I believe that we'll get us if we get a sell, it's gonna go all the way to 6992, and then we'll go higher. But I mean, not 6992, to 988. It's gonna sweep out that previous low. But yeah, nah, this gonna have to be the last thing that I do before I keep just making the same mistake. Yep, that's 4K on the day. I'm done. Dunzo. I can't trade no more.
And it's been up and down this whole time.
Yeah. That's it for me, guys. You saw it live. Obviously, I traded emotionally, just trying to get in the market, get out. Price obviously is stuck in a strong consolidating phase. Ain't much I can do there. We did get our liquidity sweep in the 1 hour. Got our pre-session sweep on the 5 minute, but we did not get our session sweep. I mean, we did not get our liquidity sweep in the 5 minute. Right off market open. So that could have been my flaw. At the end of the day, you live and you learn. But most definitely 4K on the day, 4,290 negative. And account is 96 right now. So big L today. But like and subscribe for more content. We gonna move forward.